A very warm welcome to all of you again on your YouTube channel Baayo Beat. Today I am going to tell you that the examination of BSc second semester and fourth semester is going to be start from 18th of July. As you can see on the screen that the timetable for BSc second semester is on the left hand side and the timetable for BSc fourth semester is on the right hand side. And the time of examination of BSc second semester is 10 AM to 12 PM and the time for BSc fourth semester for the examination is 2 PM to 4 PM. And this video is especially created for science student, but if you are non-science background student and started the video, then you can also take benefit from this video. And note down on your copy by pausing the video. Each and every subject are present on the screen. As you can see, major and minor subjects are also concluded here. Come to the next page of the timetable. The timetable for BSc second semester is on the left hand side and the timetable for BSc fourth semester is on the right hand side. And again note down by pausing the video. Come to the next page. Thanks a lot for watching my video from deepest part of my heart.